Growing up around a motorbike shop made me fall in love with those weird, loud, two-wheeled vehicles. I started speeding in the streets of Oakland at 12 years old. I was running fast as I could. I could feel the engine underneath kicking like a devil trapped in a cage, and I felt so free. When I was 15, my dad finally took me racing in Sacramento. I was the only kid among a bunch of older, stinky riders. I ended up fourth. Everyone was happy for me, but I was pissed off. I was forced to watch from outside of the track. As I leaned on the fence watching them other riders, my legs swung back and forth like a shrimp. That's where my nickname came from. It was in 1920 when Indian asked me to be a part of their official racing team. Everything was perfect. The sound of the motorbike, the crowd cheering me. I was fast, always riding as fast as I could, and I felt free. But then, that 14th of August in Toledo, everything changed. It was all over for me. Until now.